Masyutovka of Kharkov region and Novoselovskoye of Lugansk people.
The armed forces of Ukraine and Russia reported the front-line progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes had occurred in some area May 26. In Kupyansk direction, artillery of the Zapad group of Russian forces inflicted fire damage on the units of the enemy close to Dvurechnaya and Kislovka, Kharkov region. In addition, actions of two sabotage and reconnaissance groups of the armed forces of Ukraine were thwarted near Masyutovka and Ivanovka, Kharkov region, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson. Up to 35 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 Msta-B howitzer have been neutralised in this direction during the day. The Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov May 26 said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 429 airplanes and 235 helicopters, 4,341 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 anti-aircraft missile systems, 9,302 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 4,908 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,464 units of special military hardware have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement May 26 said Russia lost 460 servicemen in a single day, including 1 tank, 3 armored personnel vehicles, 25 artillery systems, as well as 1 fighter jet and 3 drones. In total, Moscow lost 205,720 servicemen since Russia have been launching full-scale aggression into Ukraine territories. The President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky condemned the latest Russia cruise missile attack in Dnipro. Russian terrorists once again confirm their status of fighters against everything humane and honest, Zelensky said. A rocket attack on a clinic in the city of Dnipro. As of now, 1 person was killed and 15 were wounded. The shelling aftermath is being eliminated and the victims are being rescued. All necessary services are involved. My condolences to the family of the deceased, Zelensky added. The other side, the Russian confirmed that the attack hit Ukrainian ammunition depot. Last night, the armed forces of the Russian Federation launched a group strike by long-range high-precision air-based weapons against ammunition depots of the Ukrainian armed forces. The goal of the strike has been achieved. All the assigned targets have been engaged, said the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 457 days. There is still no peace settlement agreement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!